Everybody's heard of the 10-pound holiday rule. I'm going to go over 3 tips to help you maintain so that when January rolls around, life is just a little bit easier. Number one, before you go to your holiday festivities, drink a protein shake. This will help you to feel full and not as hungry when you get to the party. Also, protein is a natural satiety agent, meaning that it does help you to feel full and it's healthy. I recommend this one, but you can do any one that you want as long as it has that high quality whey protein and is lower on the fat. Number two, watch your drinks. So, party punch, has a ton of sugar, and this is just empty calories, and this does contribute to the holiday gain. So, if it's just the punch with no party, go ahead and just drink some water. This will save a ton of empty calories. If it's the party that you're looking for, there are some better alternatives with less sugar. Number three, stay closer to the protein table than to the dessert table. Again, protein is a natural satiety agent. If you're going to pick up and eat on something, make sure it has some protein in it. Again, cheese, a little bit on the fattening side, but we're not trying to lose. We're just trying to maintain. And this, although it's delicious, has those empty calories. That'll make January just that much harder when it rolls around.